Them call me Jazzy. I said the girl them killer, yeah. The girl them killer, yeah. She come from Manila, yeah. She sipping on tequila, yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you've not already done so, please like, subscribe, and share. This is just a vlog of the second half of my August. So yeah, enjoy the video. Hey you guys, and here I am again, waiting for a Smith machine. Like, I've been here for like 20 minutes, waiting for a Smith machine. 20 minutes, it's so annoying. Oh my gosh, like you guys need to sleep on the machine. Let me give you two. I'm already glucose. Like 20 minutes and they're all sleeping on them. Like, you guys in the pillow? What the heck? Hi guys, so I just came back from the gym. Oh, this is my work outfit. Let me see. If I go far, maybe you guys can see. Isn't it cute? I got it from Chic Me, yeah. Today is the time of the month I'm just not in the mood. Like, couldn't bother. Even at the gym, couldn't be bothered. Lanre left the group chat. You people, you know what I hate? People who go to the gym and want to sleep on machines. They will go to the squat machine and do 50,000 hip thrusts until your butt will not grow. If you like, sleep there and do hip thrust, it will not grow. That is not how you do it. Are you taking enough protein? Are you eating enough? What are you doing going to the gym and be doing hip thrust and be sleeping on the machine when you see how people are waiting and be saying, oh, are you almost done? Oh no, I have a couple more sets. What have you been doing this whole time? There's this one guy, he will do this one, he will do this one, he will do this. Uncle, is it you that bought this machine? Did we all pay $10 for this machine? Relax. Come on, be going. Come on. See, God just needs to give me a salary. I'm first bonus, maybe the second or third one. I'm buying Smith machine. Every time I'm in the gym, it's Smith machine I'm waiting for. That's the last exercise I do. The clip I'm going to show you is I was in the gym. For some reason, Smith machine was clear. I only waited 5 minutes. Normal basis, I wait 15 to 20 minutes for a Smith machine. And they only have 5. Why does Planet Fitness have only 5 Smith machine? And they have 30,000 cardio machine. Why? Nobody is even using the cardio machine. Why do you have so much cardio machine? Excuse my rants. So, I'm making cereal. Guys, I do everything to accuracy. Let me show you. So I use the scale to measure my cereal, and I'm going to use the scale to also measure my milk. So I basically put it on the scale, turn on the scale, and then I zero it out. So actually that doesn't make sense. Okay, let's do it again. Zero it out, and then I put till I get to 24. I'm doing that because my calorie count, 97 grams, 24 grams. So that's what I'm eating today. This is people I know that introduced me to warm cereal. And yeah, never going back. Never going back. I don't get how you will eat cereal with cold water. And for some reason, I like my milk less than my cereal. So I like more cereal, less milk. Washing dishwashing machine wash. Say washing machine dishwasher. So I put like half a cup of milk, water, then I microwave. Today they gave us free lunch at work. This one they are giving us free lunch. I think they are bribing us so that we'll not complain when they want to increase time. But my God, I said we will not allow such. So they gave us free lunch and it's free. What do I expect? I'm not going to lie. I like rice and stew. I'm very disappointed to go out to eat because I'm a very hard person to please when it comes to food. Like, I was just tasting our grilled chicken, like, you know those burnt ends on chicken. and then chow mein. I could have eaten my rice and stew in peace, but food is free food. And then I guess they went to Ike's, a sandwich shop. There was a different program and they had extra, so this one was, I took the menage a trois. I'm going to get to check the calories. I think I'm going to give it to Anthony though, because you can't keep this for much. And then they gave us this. Please look at the calorie count on this thing. Oh my goodness, 390 calories. Because of what? 390 calories, 17 grams of fat. I've left the continents. In fact, the planet. This is me leaving the planet. Why is it so high in fat? So see my milk, my water. I keep saying milk. My water is steamy. I think I'm gonna be using this in the gym instead of the hat I use because this looks so cute. Just too bad I can't wear it to work because when I get, oh by the way, when I get to the gym I just remove the wig in the car, put it in the car and go because I hate hair around me. But I'm trying to get 360 frontal and see if I can put it up and just see what I can do with that. But I'm just gonna be lying if I say I will try it once and that'll be it. I just want this 360 frontal. Let me just stop this justification. I'm justifying. Let's just stop this justification. I'm justifying because just say I want to spend money. All this what you're doing. So I buy hair from my vendors because for the sake of it. Just made a mess, man. I might have to add more milk. So basically what I do, I put a little bit of this is peak milk, by the way. It's peak powdered milk. I don't like regular milk. Well, I put a little bit of milk and I make sure like I stack on this, right? So then there's more cereal than milk, right? So I can't see the water. And then I put milk on the top. And that's how I eat my cereal. So I eat my cereal, guys. I might have to put more milk. But fun fact about me, I love cereal. The only cereal I eat is Special K and Cheerios. Not the honey nut, the regular Cheerios. I know, I do something weird. So I put sugar. I put like 2 tablespoons of sugar because the regular Cheerios has no taste. But the honey nut, I heard there's carcinogen. Hey! Carcinogen. I can't say that word. I don't know why. I can't say that word. Cancer causing elements. That's the word. Cancer causing elements. I heard it's in there. So, and the plain one is very good for your heart. So I want to show you how I swallow my pills. So this is called swallow in Nigeria. This is just Nigerian plantain fufu, and this is vegetable soup. This one is wheat. The wheat one I found. So I don't know. It's not plantain fufu. Nobody should come at me. So what I do? So I have this pill box. And I just don't question the pills, okay, guys? Don't question it. It's a whole bunch of vitamins, whole bunch of. You just don't question it. So what I basically do is I put like 2 in here, and then some Zyrtex. These are Zyrtex. I have to take Zyrtex every day, guys. Some kind of allergies. Okay, and then I do it like this because this you're not meant to chew. So I basically put it in the vegetable soup. And then swallow. So yeah, that's how I take my pills. Yeah. Hi guys, so I just got back from, I showed you a clip of me being in my physical therapy for my hands. After that I went to the gym, then I went to go get my eyebrows done, and I don't like I normally go on Thursdays because there's a specific lady I like, but I guess she left early. I don't like the other lady because she is so slow. She's like, and you know that stuff is painful. And then I just don't like her. I prefer the other lady. That's why I go on Thursdays. But I think I'm gonna be going on Fridays now because I'm like, okay, sometimes I go on Thursdays and I'm still seeing you. Like, she told me the other lady comes on Thursdays. I guess the lady left 5 minutes earlier than I came. Anyways, I'm gonna do laundry now and I'm gonna eat. I decided to go do my hair on Saturday because I'm tired of wrapping hair. I don't know, it's not a bit of me. So I'm gonna do thread. I'm gonna show you that video and I'm gonna see my friend on Saturday in the same city where my mom lives. So yeah, I'm gonna go start the laundry. So guys, hi. It's a very odd angle, but when I do my laundry, I like to show, like basically put everything on the floor, as you can see here, like all laundry on the floor. And I like to put everything on the floor and kind of sort it out that way, so I know what load to throw in. Yeah, it's a mess, but that's just how I do things. So normally I wash delicates first, so I'm gonna start that later. Now I'm gonna separate the rest. So I'm gonna put whites here. And this one is to wash myself. And I'm gonna put darks in here. Or like every other in there. Towels go in a separate wash because I noticed they don't wash very well. Hi guys, so I paused laundry, so I'm gonna eat dinner. Let me show you my dinner. The chef of the house strikes again. Today it's chicken strips, air fried chicken strips with fries. So, I'm trying to win myself off Chick-fil-A sauce. I normally eat this with Chick-fil-A sauce, but Chick-fil-A sauce has like 14 grams of fat. It's just a sauce. Where's this all what fat coming from? So I'm trying to use barbecue sauce today. We'll pray I will like it. But bye guys. Hi guys. So I bought something like this because this is my what do you call it? My grad picture. So I put something like this for Anthony because Anthony graduated. Please do. I don't understand why this box is so big.
It's a very big box.
Let me unbox. I'm not showing addresses here. You guys, Anthony has the cutest face.
Leave my fingers alone.
So chubby. I cannot.
Oh, it is big.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, it's big. Oh.
It's way smaller than me. What was the size dimension? Does it come with the size dimension? No. Yeah, so I finally gave Anthony a gift.
Thank you. It's beautiful, actually. I love it. Look at the face.
Oh, Anthony, please. I love it that you love yourself. I love it for you.
Right here.
Ha. Look at the size of you guys. I don't even
That's
know
probably why. Okay, that makes sense why it said it was blurry.
Oh.
Way too small. It's way too small. So something.
Coupons.
Yeah, coupons.
But it doesn't come out. Oh, babe, not too blurry.
Yeah, it's not too blurry. It's still going here.
So yep, we both have masters. We both mastered it. But you know what I regret though, guys? I regret studying engineering. I wish I did an MBA. I'm not gonna lie. But it's alright. You live and you learn. You live and you learn. Amazon delivery. My Amazon delivery of my macaroons. Amazon, these people are making money off me. Off a lot of people actually. Let's see. Amazon is making a lot of money. Oh, this is. Oh, wow, that's a big. Okay, maca. So I ordered macaroons. So you're supposed to put it with your protein shake and mix it. Last time I tried these, they caused some breakouts over here. So this is a different one. So fingers crossed that these will be better. Hopefully. This is just the organic one. This is not, because I think I bought the red one before and then I reacted to it. So we shall see. So yeah, I'm gonna go to Home Depot because as I told you earlier, that little tap, is this tap? No, the shower head situation is so hard for me to turn, and I already have this. Can't be doing too much, okay? So I just want to see how much it's gonna cost. If it costs a lot to buy, and I'm just gonna buy it and then have Anthony replace it. If Anthony can't replace it, then we're gonna have to hire the plumber that we now have. Dude, this guy actually lives like he just walks like 3 or 5, maybe 6 houses down from us. So weird. Like, look how God works. I mean, we spent 2,000. Let me even tell you guys the total amount I spent. So on the water filter, I spent a total $2,860.70. Oh gosh. $810 for the guy who did nonsense. $784 for the filter itself. I bought it off Amazon. And then $800. Wait, yeah, $800 for the new guy who actually knew what he was doing. But before I hired the new guy, he had to come and fix it because the whole place was leaking. So, and he didn't have to, it's scheduled to actually do the stuff. So he has to just fix it real quick. That cost us $466. Then he came to fix it. That cost us $800. So in total, I spent $2,860 for Nuvo. You know, like here's the Nuvo system. This is the good guy that did it. Like I said, the old guy did all that soldering, ruined the walls. It is what it is. But yeah, this is the system. Anthony just needs to take this thing off. I guess the old guy left the manual in there. It's a mess. It was a mess. Okay, just lessons learned. Now at least I always have a certified plumber because, yeah. So anyways, I'm gonna go to Home Depot and get the shower situation and see if I can get a different shower head and shower the thing that changes the temperature. So I'll see you guys later. Home Depot. Home Depot. Oh, I think this is where we're going to plumbing section. American, the American flag. You don't play with it. And this is not plumbing. Oh no. Oh, I just went. Oh, we're going back. Oops. But this is just this one. Where's the others? So this one. Ask him. You just. Okay, this is what they have. This is not giving.
He said, how'd you get by me? You snuck by me. Oh, I like this.
There's more here. Okay, and this is
This and that is the only ones they have.
Oh, this is not interesting. This is why I said Amazon. It's the same price.
Yeah,
And they don't even look
Maybe the older one.
Because I wanted one with a pull-out handle. I'm not seeing any.
These have pull-out.
Yeah, like those two, but a rain shower with the pull-out.
Oh, you want the head to be a pull-out?
So like the rain shower, but it also has a pull-out on the side.
Yeah.
Oh, I see what you're talking
Yeah.
about. Yeah, it's not gonna be easy for that. So it probably will be.
Oh, I said this thing you were talking to. I didn't even find anything. So I was right. Amazon it is. So Amazon will come with the handle that you switch it to, right?
Yes, they probably would.
I'm going back home to my humble abode, and I'm gonna go finish my walk because I only have 5,000 steps. So I'm gonna finish my walk and listen to my audiobook, eat, and see if I want to watch a movie or edit. See you. Bye guys. Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm gonna go to get my hair done. I mean my hair underneath the hair. So this is the wig I'm wearing today. All my wigs are on Etsy. I made this myself. So yeah, and this is my fit for today. I'm just gonna wear it with some sneakers, and I'm just gonna go, and I'm also gonna meet with my friends today. So yeah, so see you guys as we go. I gotta go buy gas too. So bye guys.
That was it for me.
Hi guys.
Bye.
So my hair is done. So now I'm gonna go meet my friend. Auntie, can you show the back?
Sure.
We say this one is really native.
This girls, my hair is like no man's business. I'm gonna leave this for 3 months. Wash the scalp. Put a wig on it. Let me show you how to put a wig on it. Shoot. Before you guys say, oh, you see how flat it is? Like doing my hair. And I never really put the hair back, so this place is flat. So I just put leave my tia alone. Mind your business. I just put my handy wig cap. Put this a little bit back. Let me see. It used to be so. I think, can you viewfinder so I can see what I'm doing? Okay. So I put this a little bit back. And then I wear my wig. I think I should have been supposed to wear my wig. Viewfinder, so I can see what I'm doing. Okay. So this wig was already cold. So. Yep. Voila. See, you can't even tell it's on. Period.
I think I see this on the video. It's not like that.
You editor, put this part because my mom is famous. Turn it off. Hi guys, so we are my friend Aloisa. We graduated like what 5 years ago? No, 6 years ago on undergrad. I've known her since undergrad. So every time I come here, I'm always coming to see her. So yeah, I'm gonna go catch up with her and then see you guys later. Hi guys, so I wanted to show you guys how I do my daily pill thing for the week. So this is iron. I only take this once a week. Once a day. So I just put it in. I already put in some in for these days. So I put it for the AM. But for Wednesday, since I go to work, I put Wednesday stuff for the AM in a Ziploc bag. I have to take Zyrtex for my nose, so right now I take 4 of them. I don't know, my nose is disgusting, but we move. So by God's grace, I am healed. In Jesus' name, amen. 4. The weight of these. 4. 4. That's that. And then I have to take magnesium oxide. This one is 2 tablets, so 1 in the afternoon and 1 in the evening. So this is Tummy Abbey Guard. On Tuesdays I eat salmon, so I take it because it makes me really bloated in the next day when I go for work. I don't know why salmon makes me bloated, but so I only take it on Tuesday. Then this is prenatal meds. I take it for my hair. So prenatal meds goes in my hair. And you're supposed to take 3 of this, so I take 2 in the morning and 1 at night. But why does this thing keep coming with half a prenatal med? The amount of stuff I pay for this, I think it will be perfect. These people are not serious. Okay, so this is just a new chapter prenatal med. New chapter prenatal med. Okay. Whatever. Then I take 1 a day. Vitamin, vitamins for other things. This one you only literally have to take it 1 a day, so I only take it in the evening. It gives me for other vitamins. And then I take calcium. Calcium body from Costco. They have the big ones. This one is 2 times a day, so I take 1 in the evening and 1 in the mornings. That's pretty much it. So I use apple juice to swallow these medications, except Mondays and Wednesdays I drink swallow, which I showed you guys earlier, the little mushy thing where I put my pills in. Yep, that's it. Guys, I just realized that this Nuvo thing wasn't even working because we didn't take the plastic wrap off it. This thing has become a stubble in my toe. What the heck? So now Anthony's taking the plastic out of it, and we just took the water. Remember, why is this thing? So remember that there was a paper in there. So those are the paper remains. So he's trying to put it back, and he's trying to open this one, the water softener aspect. So he's trying to open this part to take the wrap off it. Dude, because I was like, why? I don't feel like this thing is working. I don't see the difference. So now that this plastic wrap is off it, like, I guess it should work. So now let's see him take the other one out, because he already took the first one out. By the way, guys, today is Sunday, and I woke up with a headache. Oh gosh. You have to put it on. I mean, this is $800, so I beg. Don't go and break it. Oh, that was easy.
It's very easy. What?
I don't. Why is it not going all the way?
It's not.
You need help to help you do something?
You're welcome.
Oh, they gave you that?
I gotta check the water. Make sure there's no film in this one. So this one I think is fine now.
My head.
Then you should definitely eat something. You should have to
I have to take my. No, I always do this. Why? Because I have to take medication.
I've done that before. I went to the gym with a headache.
No, I have, but not this bad. This is too much. Oh my gosh!
That's why I panicked about. Yeah, see? That's why I panicked about for a second when I started. I was like, it's not stopping. What do I do? And then it stopped eventually. You see the film, right?
Yeah, I see the film. Let me show them what they're talking about. See, look at you guys. Oh my gosh.
And the paper.
The film is
And the
still
paper.
in there, and the paper. Look, it wasn't even working. See, I don't know if you guys can see. What the heck?
Okay, I gotta clean this up.
Yeah, paparazzi.
I know, right? Are your fingers always this chubby?
Your fingers are always this chubby.
Mm.
Are these fingers are cute? They're so chubby. So cute.
Day in the life of a homeowner.
Okay, so how do you remove it without removing the instruction and throwing it away?
I'm just hoping that the instructions don't get wet. It's just, I think it's not, I think it's, yeah, it's just paper here. Cause it has this, the instruction manual. That's what I was looking for the entire time. I couldn't find it because it was on the cartridges.
Oh my gosh, guys. This is a hand slap moment. Hand slap on the forehead moment. I guess you guys can learn from me. Learn from me. So now it should actually be working. But we gotta save that paper. Even says internal bypass. This guy didn't even read the instruction. They literally gave us an instruction. See, right here it says internal bypass, external bypass. It's only the second guy that even. Oh my gosh.
Usually when you have Noodle install it for you, they do that.
How much was it for them to install it for us? Oh, you forgot?
Yeah, they recommended that you just get a plumber to do it.
I feel like this is what we should have just paid them because it wasn't working. This thing can be more than 115 degrees. 13. But we don't live in Texas. When we work, you gotta put it inside your house. So we done?
Think I feel alright. Don't call me Joe.